Then start installing the software. Click to install. If you installed the driver, you don't need to install it again. If it is not installed, click Continue. Then the next step. This is the camera driver. After the installation is complete, we first open the camera screen. Then place the object on the corresponding point of the screen. Then detect whether the camera covers these two objects. Coverage means that the camera does not need to be adjusted. If there is no coverage, the camera needs to be adjusted. Close the software when the coverage is full. Directly open the interactive system. Then click Settings, open and find that there is a camera screen. Select Point Calibration. Click the triangle in the Settings in Cam Setting. Increase the gain value to facilitate calibration. First, do the first point calibration. Turn on the flashlight of the mobile phone. Put it on the first dot in the upper left corner facing the camera. In this area, the first calibration point can be found. Click with the left mouse button, then click OK. Then perform the calibration of the second point, the blue aperture in the upper right corner. Do the same operation for the remaining 3 points. Adjust the gain value back to around 25 after the calibration is complete. Ensure that the right area is black when no one is interacting and a white halo appears when interacting. The second step is to find the play plan to add the game. Can add multiple games to playlist. The running time of each game can be set according to your own needs. Dig the two boxes below. If you connect a serial port cable, you can select the corresponding serial port number and projector model here. You can control the switch of the projector with one key. Then select Startup in Other Settings. Finally, click OK. After all settings are complete, click the Interactive System icon in the lower right corner of the taskbar. Right-click to exit and save all the settings just now. Reopen it. All games support multiplayer interaction. The game will cycle according to the playtime of the list.